Austin here, and I've been waiting for this package for quite a while. This is actually the second time I tried ordering it. First time, this guy, I don't know, he just would not respond, and I did not get my package for over a month. And I contacted Amazon, and they covered everything, got my money back, and now I have this, which I actually got it 2 weeks earlier. I was not expecting this today, but I got a little sneak peek in here, so I know it's what I got. But here we go. I'm gonna open it with I don't know what this knife is. It's just I don't know, pretty sweet looking knife. See what that says there. There, you can probably find what it is. It says Tomahawk, I think, on it. Yeah, I don't know. But here we go. Take this out. Okay, we don't need this. This is the shipping information, don't need that. And here we go. A Schade. And, oh, the box is a little broke here. But it's, that's upside down. Sorry about that. Alright. SCHOTF3. So if any of you knife people out there know what that means, it's a, lost for words. It's on a front knife from Schade, which is legal. Oh, it's not the one I thought it was, though. Oh no, I don't. It's not the one I thought it was, but wow, that's really stiff. There we go. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. What the heck? It's double-sided. Huh. They're not legally supposed to send this here if it's double-sided. Yeah. This is the wrong one. I don't know if I want to keep it, though. Because I kind of wanted the newest version. Holy crap, that's really stiff. Oh. Oh, okay. But it's pretty cool. Viper. Reverse. It's pretty cool. Wow, the lockup on this is really good, actually. For a OTF knife, it's like there's no play whatsoever. It's amazing. Alright. Yeah, the one I was thinking of, it showed on their website. It's got like a squared off one on here instead of like the regular round glass breaker, and this would be metal instead of plastic up here, and it would be like a little shorter. You can search it online, different Schade models, and then you got your safety here. This is aluminum. This feels like, I think that's steel. This is steel. Unfortunately, this is plastic. But it feels, ow, just ripped my skin right there. It's a little rough, but it'll work in. Yeah, gotta have strong thumbs. Alright, well, there's my first impressions of this. Too bad I didn't get the one I wanted, but it's still pretty cool. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, whether you liked it or not. Bye.